Now, just look at this. We are now seeing the questions that may be asked on control statements. So, initial value of ABC as given 5, 10, and 1. So, let me check what is your understanding about these conditions. What is the result you are expecting from this code? What result you are expecting? Which statement will get executed? Printf statement will get executed or break statement? What is your answer? A value is 5. And you know how logical AND works. So if both the inputs, I mean to say both the operands are true means only then the entire result of this will be true, otherwise false. A is 5, B is 10, C is 1. What is your answer? Okay, just tell me B greater than C. That is true or false? B greater
True,
than.
sir.
True, sir.
So this is true. Okay. What about A? A is what? 5. 5 is true or false?
True, sir.
True.
True. Okay. Then what you are expecting?
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome. So in interviews, they might confuse you by asking these type of questions. You need to think in terms of compilation also. For writing this break, you will get compilation error. You will get compilation error saying misplaced break. Am I clear? So according to the keyword break, it can be used either in loop. It can be used in looping statement or in switch case. Only in those two places it can be used. Am I clear? Break statement can be used either in switch or in loop. In this, we do not have any switch statement or not even loop. Hence, the compiler will throw an error saying misplaced break. Am I clear? So most of the time, our concentration would be this part on this part, but actual thing is this one. Understood? Is that point clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me. So what you are expecting from this statement? We have hash define statement. Hope you know the meaning of hash define macro. What happens when this program compiles or executes? So what is macro or hash define?
So it just replaces the word with the code, sir.
So this print is a identifier. So this identifier will be replaced with this code, right? So this
Yes, sir.
code will be replaced here. Okay. What happens when that is replaced? What is the result you are expecting? X value is 1.
Hi, hello, welcome, sir.
Hi, hello, welcome. All get executed.
Yes, sir.
So there is no question of, if I mean to say, there is no question of skipping any statement. You mean to say if part will also be get executed and else part will also be get executed?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Whenever we give if and else, either if part or else part will be executed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but answer is again misplaced else. Again misplaced else. You will not be allowed to execute this. There is some error. Can any one of you justify why we get misplaced else? See, condition is x minus whatever may be the condition. That condition is applicable to two statements. That condition by default, if you are not placing any flower bracket, if you are not placing any flower bracket means this condition is applicable to only one statement. So that is applicable to this statement, only this statement. Am I clear? Because at this place we have two statements. First one is printf hi, second one is printf hello. So this condition is applicable to only to this statement. After that, compiler is expecting else part, but it did not find else part. Instead, it is seeing printf. Hence, it is telling I am expecting else, but else is misplaced. Am I clear? Else is misplaced. So if you would have written flower bracket means, what is the meaning of writing flower bracket? Within if block, you can place any number of statements. Am I clear? Within if block, you can place any number of statements. All those statements will be part of if block only if they are within flower bracket. Otherwise, if is applicable to only one statement. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for better understanding, you just assume we do not have else. We do not have else. Assume we do not have else and we don't have this also. Instead of that, we have printf hello. Here we have printf hello. I mean to say in if we have printf hello, then followed by printf welcome statement. We do not have else statement. Am I clear? Now tell me what is the result you are expecting. In this, there is no compilation error. If x minus minus followed by printf hello followed by printf welcome. There are two printf statements in if. After if, I had written two printf. So initial value of x is 1. 1 minus minus post decrement. Okay, assume this is true. Assume this is true. What is the result you are expecting?
Hello, sir.
See, after this condition, we have two printf statement. Hello, printf welcome. We don't have this. If followed by, if condition is true, followed by printf hello, followed by printf welcome. So condition is true means printf, this one will be executed and this one will also get executed, right? Assume this condition is false. What happens? What is the result you are expecting if condition is false?
Error, sir.
Error. There is no compilation error. There is no syntax error here. Why you expect error? There is no syntax problem. Error will occur only if syntax problem exists.
We are expecting welcomes.
So first printf will not be executed. Second printf will be executed. So this condition is false. Hence, first printf will not executed. So as I said, this condition is applicable to one statement, not the two statements. Since we have not included them in flower bracket, this is applicable to only one statement. False means it will not execute. Second printf which displays welcome, that will be executed. If true means that is applicable to this one, this will also execute. After if block we have this one, this will also execute. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
If you want both of these statements to be considered as part of if, place them in flower bracket. In that case, either both will execute or both will not execute based on the condition. Hope it is clear. Now, what result you are expecting from this code? Shahrukh or Salman? Shahrukh or Salman?
Salman, sir.
Huh? Yes.
Salman, sir.
So you are a fan of Salman. So I am fan of Shahrukh, but still no Shahrukh, no Salman. Why? You will get error. System is not accepting even Shahrukh, not Salman because of this. What is size of? What is the meaning of size of? Size of is an operator used to check the size of the parameter. If I specify int here, size of will return 2 or 4. If I specify carrier, it will return 1. Size of is an operator which returns the size of the data. How can you find out size of nothing? Void means nothing. Clear? If you cannot find out size of something which does not exist. Understood? So for this, compiler will throw error saying it is impossible to find the size of void because void means nothing. Hence, error. Is that point clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now interesting. Because we have entered after if and else, we have entered into loop. Hope you know the working of do while loop. What is the result you are expecting from this? See, before main we have one variable called as extern int x. So in global, x is initialized to 8. X is initialized to 8. What is the meaning of percentage O? Percentage D means percentage D is for integer, right?
Yes, sir.
Percentage F is for float and double. Percentage C is for character. Percentage S is for string. What about percentage O?
Object.
Not object. O stands for octal. Display the value of X. Display the value of X in octal format. That is what the meaning of this one. So whatever there in X, display it in octal form. So what is there in X? 8. 8 should be displayed in octal form. Okay, what result you are expecting here? Okay, at least tell me how many times printf statement will get executed. How many times? Because we have nested loop. Do while we have 2 times. Do while within another do while. We have nested it. How many times printf will get executed?
One time, sir.
Only one time. Exactly only one time. Let us try to understand how. First, we'll come to do statement. As you know, no checking will be done. First time, this printf is executed, so it executes. While what is the result of not -2? True or false? -2 means true. -2 means true. So exact 0 is treated as false other than any value. Any positive number, any negative number apart from 0 will be treated as true. So -2 is true. Not true means what? Not true means false. So this while loop terminates, will come outside. Here while 0 means false. This will also terminate. So only one time this printf statement is executed. If I display the value of decimal value 8 in octal means it is 10. 8 na octal alli display ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ so 8 ones are 8, remainder is 0, so this is 10 in case of octal. Understood? Octal means 0 to 7. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, last question for the day. Tell me what result you are expecting from this while loop. Initial value of I is 2, j is 2. I and j both are true. We have pre-decrement, post-increment, and addition. What happens here? Initial value of I is 2. What type of statement it is?
Conditional.
Conditional operator or ternary operator. So how conditional operator works? Yes, how conditional operator works?
If condition is true, first statement is executed.
Okay.
If condition is true,
First expression is this one. This is expression 1. This is expression 2. This is expression 3. Right? First expression 1 is evaluated. I is 2. 2 plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
3, sir.
3 is true or false?
True, sir.
Only 0 is false. Other than 0, all are true. So 3 is true. True means which one will be executed? This second expression will be executed. So what is happening here?
1, sir.
Pre-decrements. I value becomes
1.
2 ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ true. True means enter into the loop, execute this. Am I clear? Enter into the loop, execute this. So what is the expected result? 1. I value 1 ಇತ್ತು ಬಂತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So after that while loop repeats, ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Again I plus 1 I value is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 is true, fine. But minus minus I value is 1. If you decrement, it becomes what?
0.
0. 0 means false, you will come out of the loop. Understood?